PC 8165 sir, C Rajesh Kumar, Forest Code.
Break number 5 sir.
Sir, HC 4 sir, T Ajay Chandra sir, Bakaji
Fourth annual Sports and Games Meet with the true spirit of sportsmanship, respecting and abiding by the rules and regulations which govern them for the glory of sports and for honor of our service.
Now, I request the
Under Sir only. Sir was Superintendent of Police of West Godavari for 1 year period. Because of that training and exposure given to me by Sir, I laid my foundation in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and I am proud of that. Sir has worked in different capacity in our state as a DIG of Warangal range and technical services. Sir is expert in computer and technical services. The Home Department, this is the second time Sir is getting posted to Home Department. That itself shows the kind of bond which is required between the government and police. Sir is able to provide that leadership. So thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. My request to all the sportsmen that all these games play with true spirit, umpire decision win for that, and enjoy these 4 days. Be away from all the tension. For organizing this beautiful program of our DCP admin, then supported by our additional DCPs of AR, Shamir, Lakshmi Narayana and Bhaskar and entire team. Lot of hard work is there. Good job by them, and they should continue this hard work in future too. Once again, my best wishes to all the players who are participating in more than 35 events. Ravi Gupta sir, for accepting our invitation. Thank you.
Shri Mahesh Bhagwat, IPS, CP Rachakonda, Additional CP Rachakonda, Sudhir Babu, DCPs, Sanpreet, Rakshita, dear friends. First of all, good morning to all of you. It is indeed a pleasure to be here for the opening ceremony of the 4th annual sports meet of Rachakonda Police. As Mahesh said, the last 2 years have been very stressful for everyone, especially the police. I must say that the entire force of Rachakonda put job during the pandemic. There were grave risks, but being frontline workers, still you have come forward without hesitation and served the public. It is evident from the positive stories published and received from the public. Hearty congratulations. Despite being formed in 2016, Rachakonda Commissionerate, with such a vast area under its jurisdiction and with jurisdiction extending to urban and rural areas, under the able leadership of Shri Mahesh Bhagwat, CP, Rachakonda, within such a state has carved a name for itself. It's creditable that within 5 years has been turned out, which has been recognized not only nationally but internationally. It's all due to the dynamic leadership of your CP, and we are fortunate to be working under him. Difficult times during this COVID pandemic for the last 2 years, it must be a welcome change for all of you to have this sports meet. I am sure the pandemic is over. New variants keep coming up now and then, and you need to take precautions still. But this being the right time, when the case load is low, we don't know what will happen in the future. Last 2 years, you could not have the sports meet because of this pandemic. So after 2019, it's a wonderful. We know that health is of paramount importance to all of us in our life. No matter how rich you are, no matter what assets you possess, the biggest asset you have is
in time. 4 days events will be commenced from today, and on 10th closing ceremony has been organized with the Principal Secretary Finance, Sri K. Ramakrishna Rao sir, as the chief guest. In this 4 days event, we have the football, very popular tug of war, 100-meter running, 200-meter running, 400 meters, 800, 1500, 5000, 10,000, 400 relay, high jump, long jump, shot put, discus throw, javelin throw, hammer throw, tennis double, tennis single, handball, badminton single and double. Then again for the officers, separate badminton, table tennis single and double for ACP and above. Then judo, boxing, wrestling, weightlifting, gymnastics. Around 35 events are there in different stadiums. This is Sarudnagar Indoor Stadium and Outdoor Stadium, where majority of the events will be having. Some events are organized, and cricket matches are there in the zonal grounds. On Friday, there is one friendly match also between the media and police, organized at Uppal Cricket Stadium. This 4-day sports event will definitely help our officers, our Rachakonda men to rejuvenate and work hard for the forthcoming year.
being social, you will be connecting with all your workmates, your friends, and I am sure this will bring out great friendship and bonding between all of you. So please remember that winning or losing is not at all important, but the happiness which will come out in participation in all the sports and cherished trophy you will always nourish. I will repeat again, Tatakonda Police has earned a very good name for itself under your CP. I know him personally. We were together right from 1995 when he first landed in Andhra Pradesh on inter-cadre transfer as ASP Grade 1. Right from then I could see he had done excellent work in curbing crime against children, curbing crime against women. His efforts right from the beginning have been recognized globally. Not only national, but he has also received international awards. Hearty congratulations to him. In not only professional field, but also mentoring aspirants to qualify for top jobs in the country, including the civil services, have also been recognized. As a cadre, as the IPS cadre of the state, we are proud of him that many of his students, let me say students or aspirants who have been mentored by him, have been successful and made it to the top services. It's only, I congratulate him for that again, and I'm sure this great work, the good work will continue. I would like to thank CP Ratakonda and also his team of officers and all those who have worked in the background. This sports meet are successful. It's going to be successful for the next 4 days, and for inviting me for this inauguration ceremony and the enthusiasm which I could see in the march past, the wonderful march past which all of you exhibited. The same enthusiasm will be evident in the next 4 days, and you will have a great time. Enjoy yourself, flex your muscles, and forget the official duties for the next 4 days. All those who are participating, utilize this time to create friendship, bondings, camaraderie, sportsman spirit, etc. and have fun. Congratulations once again, and I thank you for giving me an opportunity to share my views with you. I wish you all the best. Thank you. God bless.